Hi, welcome to RAR Math. Today I'm doing a series of videos on data, input, output, functions, and all sorts of fun graphical information. Okay, for the following scatter plot. Describe the relationship between x and y. Well, if we look, as x increases, so as x goes up, y increases. List three ordered pairs. There are a total of 6. So if you were to list 3, pause and try on your own, you could have listed 0.20, 0.520, 130, 1.560, 270, or 2.570. Any of those would, and any 3 of those would be fine. It says find the input or inputs corresponding to the output of 70. Well, the input is always on the bottom. We always have the input here. We always have the output on the up-down axis. So 70 has the inputs of 2 and 2.5. So x equals 2 and 2.5. Find the outputs corresponding to the input of 0.5. Input of 0.5 has the output of y equals 20. Okay, now we're getting into interpret. Let's see. Interpret 1.5 comma 60 in the context of the situation. A student who studied 1.5 hours. So if we come back up here, the input is hours studied. So I just put that into a sentence. I have to label the number. I can't just say 1.5. It doesn't make sense. The 1.5 is the hours studied, and we're talking about individual students. So a student who studied 1.5 hours, this is their grade, earned 60% on the exam. Draw a line of best fit. Okay, so a line of best fit has 2 criteria. The 2 criteria is 1, it's in the direction of the data, and 2, it splits the points. All right, so if we come up here, we have the 6 points, so we're covering roughly 3. Let's get to the right direction. So 1, 2, 3. There's our line of best fit. Looks pretty good. I could have gone maybe a little bit lower. These 3 seem lower than those 3, but it's decent. It gets the right idea. And our very last question is choose a point on the line of best fit. This does not have to be a data point. Okay, so this is not asking for, notice I don't really go through any data points. We're just looking for a line, point. So this would be a good point. This would be a good point. This could be a point. There's a lot of them. I'll go with this first one, 0.530. So a point on the graph is 0.530. It isn't one of the data points. When you do a line of best fit, it is one line to replace all those points, and all you do is you look at that line. So it's important to look at the line, not the data points. All right, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my Facebook page, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.